News in detail. The voter turnout in the 3,419 polling stations across 59 assembly constituencies was recorded at 63.57% till 3 p.m. on Monday. This was informed by Chief Electoral Officer F.R. Kharkongor. Kharkongor also informed that voters who are in the queues and took tokens by 4 p.m. will be allowed to cast their votes. The counting of votes for the 59 seats will be held on March 2nd. There are a total number of 21,40,453 voters in the 59 constituencies, excluding the number for Soyong constituency. A total number of 369 candidates are in the fray, including 36 women candidates. The Congress and the BJP are contesting in 59 seats, while the NPP has put up nominees in 56 constituencies, the TMC in 57 and the UDP in 46 seats. As many as 640 polling booths have been categorized as vulnerable, while 323 have been marked as critical. The election to the Soyong constituency was adjourned following the demise of former Home Minister and UDP candidate HDR Lingdo.
Ngadap na kajing sukunyan ay kabakraw hakabang ayo ay kabang nganwan hakan ka step ka bamta hakabangin jit kinong mikmat gibanlong kinong yalam ya kari bat kajat banrew kajong ni
सबको आना चाहिए वोट देना चाहिए
We should not waste our vote, our right to vote. We should come forward. We should try our level best to come and vote for the right candidate.
Those who have attained the age of 18 years above, they have to cast their vote so that they can select the right person.
Percentage of